Children deserve to have a say in family law proceedings. It is their right as outlined in the international and domestic law, and it is essential for their well-being and development. By prioritising children's voices and creating opportunities for them to express themselves, we can ensure that children are truly seen and heard in the family law system. It's time to take concrete steps to empower children and give them a meaningful role in decisions that affect their lives. The children thrive in a safe and stress-free environment. So in any family law case, we're really looking at assessing risk and whether the child is going to be exposed to risk living or spending time with that other parent. So it's a good way of looking at cases. It's a good way of understanding what's important for the court, and it's a good way in terms of gathering evidence that you need to establish that particular case. Because judges, in fairness to them, they have a very tough role, one of the toughest roles around, having to be the super parent, as I call them, making orders and making decisions rather in relation to matters that parents would normally undertake. So as a super parent,